Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted contacts from your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button. Select your user account up at the top right. Scroll over underneath where it says People and Sharing. Select the Contacts button. And then you want to select the hamburger icon at the top left and go down and select where it says Trash underneath Fix and Manage. And then locate the contact you want to restore and select where it says Recover. And then it should be back in your contact list. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.